Hi there. Welcome to our Pets Academic channel. Today, I'm talking about the topic, can guinea pigs eat spider plants? If you are new to our Pets Academic channel, please subscribe. You can also like and comment on our videos so that we can get to know you better. Consider reading the full in-depth blog post I have written on this topic. You can find it by going to the link in the description. So, let's dive in. Guinea pigs are charming animals, known for their love of greens and vegetables. However, not all plants are suitable for our lovely pets. The spider plant is one kind of plant about which many pet owners could have doubts. Due to their low maintenance requirements and attractive aesthetic, spider plants are common indoor plants. They are known to enhance air quality and are safe for people to consume. Can guinea pigs eat spider plants? Since they are herbivores, guinea pigs need a diet rich in fiber. But not all plants are suitable for them to eat. Avoiding spider plants is generally a good idea. Although not particularly hazardous, spider plants have saponins that can damage guinea pigs and cause stomach problems. It's your responsibility as a pet owner to learn which plants are safe for your furry buddy to keep them happy and healthy. What about nutritional requirements of guinea pigs? To maintain good digestive health, guinea pigs must follow a strict herbivore diet that includes a lot of fiber. They require hay in addition to fresh produce like carrots, cucumbers, and lettuce. Because they are unable to produce vitamin C on their own, guinea pigs must consume more of it through their diet, making vitamin C-rich fruits like papaya and kiwi essential for their dietary requirements. A guinea pig's diet also needs protein, which can be found in alfalfa and grass hay, small amounts of seeds, and commercial pellets supplemented just for guinea pigs. In the full blog post I have written on my website, I have done hours of research and I have written much more details about the above topic and subtopics. The blog article is more than 1,000 words. And I dive into each of the above topics, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below and you can read all about my research on this topic. See you inside the blog post. And let me know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day. And thank you for checking out petsacademic.com.